Wow. Man, look at this place. Can you feel the size is quite strange. Oh, you see here, there's a foundation down there. But when you see this, it's like they rebuilt the floor. Well, you might ask, why the houses are so broken like this? Well, I'm going to show you why. Let's go to the other side of the road, and I can show you clearly. You see, everything is look normal. Everything just look normal, but when you look at the ground, you'll find out, yeah, the houses are pretty different. The sides are weird. You see, the whole building just collapsed. The ground level used to be there. Now they have to build everything this high. It's just part of it. Today we're at Jai County's coastline, where suffered stratum subsidence for a long time. We're gonna take you to see how much damage can humans' greed make. But first, let's start with a close look of the industry that support this area. Now, here we go. 到处都是这个鹅的这个碎。I don't actually know why they grow so much oyster right here, but probably because, just like we see, they use too much underground water, so the ground level just collapsed. So now they decide to change another industry, that is oyster. Well, it's just my speculation. There's a cup right here. 你好。嘿，对对对，这边是不能进来的吗？
是可以啦。
嘿，
系啊，因为阮顶头的嘛有咧做咧昆虫。
嘿，
系啊，像讲就是阮顶头。
哦，无，阮只。
来遮翕了。
嘿，对，来观光的。
好啊，就自己注意安全。
好，谢谢啊。This is a boat for tourism. So they'll pick up passenger right here, goes to the oyster farm. Well, we want to go down there, but as you can see right here, still water, so you have to wait for the ebb. Let's go see something else first. Well, so apparently it just became a tourist attraction. Quite honestly, that looks pretty good. See that? I think I can do my weddings here. It looks pretty nice. See, if you party right there, quite a cool place. You see that? there's actually the foundation of the house. So you see, this whole place used to be a village, and now it's just sinking water. Bloody hell. You see that? Down the stair. There's the toilet. It would be quite funny if somebody actually take a dump right here. Hope not. This is fucking disgusting. Okay. Fucking hell. This is probably the most famous shithole in the whole country. So we can take a shit while looking at the sea. Why not? Love the idea. Now we arrive at the village. The whole house is being abandoned. Oh, makes me think of the famous movie called There'll Be Blood. You know, Daniel Day-Lewis had a line, "I'll drink your milkshake." Yeah, and they just drain a milkshake, and now there's milkshake everywhere, but this time it's salty. Well guys, I made a mistake. I think I can use the sidewalk to walk past the water, but now I'm stuck. Fucking hey. Yep, now I'm stuck. Damn, who the fuck is that guy? Came out of nowhere. This is nice guy. Okay. Dang, not quite safe. How do you think? Go ahead, let's try out. Okay. Oh, I hear the crack. Not good. Fuck. I think people should bring their children here. You know, just taught them what it will be if you don't cherish the resource you have right now. Nothing lasts forever.这应该以前是一个工厂。And that's all guys, thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed this as much as I do. Remember to hit the like button below, share this to your friend, and also subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I'll see you when I see you.